2006 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, child safety locks. Come see the car for yourself.